What you're seeing here is a 52-inch Hampton Bay Carriage House 2 ceiling fan in the iron finish. I was mentioning this one in a couple of my previous fan videos with commentary in them, that there are 2 of these at my old cousin's house. My cousin's old house, I mean. One in the living room, one in the master bedroom. And this one has the walnut side of the blades down because that's how I remember it. I'll give you a close look up of the fan. The Hampton Bay symbol, that was not on there when I first got it. I got that off of eBay specifically for this fan. There's a walnut blades and walnut. There's the informations. You can pause and read if you so desire to. This has these newer Hampton Bay pull chains on it. This fan even has a 3-way light kit. Put the camera down in just a second here. I have this control here so I can show it on the slower low speed. I'll go ahead and put the camera back on the tripod. See, that's 2 lights on. You'll see if I pull it again, the other 2 lights come on. And I'm gonna go ahead and pull it a 3rd time. We got all of them on. Since I set that wall control there on the low speed, I'm gonna set the pull chain control on low speed, and you'll see that it has a nice slow low to it. That's a different speed control than I had last time, so this is probably going to take a little while to get up to speed here. Probably going to go ahead and turn the lights off. You can see how slow that low speed is. That's a nice slow low speed. But for this video, I'm going to show it on the factory speeds like I normally do. So that's the factory low speed. Those glass shades are... I like the design of those glass shades. So that it has those lines on them. And those are those alabaster type shades. I think those look really nice on this fan. That's a low speed. Observation time. Has a good airflow on low speed for a hugger fan. This fan has such good bearings in it. Shakes a little bit. Pick up, old man. Pretty powerful fan for a hugger mount fan. That is the medium speed. Now it's time to observe the high speed. This fan is so powerful. Such an extremely powerful fan for a hugger mount fan. Blows good air as well. No bearing noise, any of that trash. This fan was actually made in the July of the 2023. Go ahead and show the high speed with the lights on. Once I turn the fan off, I'm going to show the spin down for anyone who likes to see those. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off now, and show the spin down. So like and subscribe.